again, like a never-ending nightmare.
Well, damn. Ain't that a bitch? Hey, y'all better leave that fly shit for the birds. Shout out to the birds, though. You know, if the birds was getting it in, it was like a couple of them. Shouts out to Higher Desert Exotic Podcast. Y'all know to go check them out every Friday and Sunday. Maybe not every Friday and Sunday, but mostly every Friday and Sunday, because, you know, they be doing them bean giveaways. Shouts out to Google Bean Co., because, you know, they did their thing getting in the lane with them. You see what I'm saying? Shouts out to the big homies. Get off the screen. Bringing up pop-ups. I don't do pop-ups in the middle of my live. I'll be focused. Anyways.
Shout out to Google Bean Co. because I don't know if people who are watching are noticing, but Giggle Bean Co. is carving a lamp, and it's a good one. It's a good way to put yourself in front of people. Everything that's going on, I really like it. I like Giggles. Giggles is cool.
She's a great person. Her and Sam are just
Over everything.
My dog Corey looked like he's so high down. Stay there for a minute. Like, what the fuck is he talking about? Who the fuck is Giggles? Oh, Giggle Bean Co. I remember those. See, those are fucking fire. Corey, your ass look high as hell. Shouts out to the big homies over at Higher Desert Exotics. Y'all know to go check them out. Here, let me drop that Bought Me a Coffee link for you in case y'all forgot. You know, you ain't got to become a member, but you do got to go support.
All the girls.
She has a way of just like wiggling in and being like, hi.
Every Friday on the Higher Desert Exotics podcast, we give away packs just like the Giggle Bean Co. So if you'd like a chance to win, like some of our
Because we're living Moore's in
come
the
check
building.
us
What
out
up, bro?
at 6 p.m. Mondays, Mountain Standard Time for your chance.
channels one.
Hey boss, shouldn't you make a quick $100 million selling hemp online like some companies are doing? They can even buy Facebook ads and use credit cards and ship it right to your door. And it's the exact same stuff as what's being sold at a dispensary. But it costs way less because no taxes to your state or local government get paid. Is it legal to cash money online selling weed called THCA hemp, right? It's that frickin' easy, brah. But you know what? Have you ever heard that if it sounds too good to be true, that's because it is? I get a lot of requests to help people in hemp create THCA flower businesses online and offers to get involved myself. Our cannabis industry lawyer website gets calls and emails all the time from people asking for help getting operational in the THCA biz. Hello? You want to make a THCA website and you already got your LLC? Nah, that's all right. I'm not going to help. Why not? Well, because it's probably illegal. Okay, no worries. Good luck. Tell you what, I could probably make quite a bit of coin going on that side of the fence and start
Hey, shouts out to the cannabis legalization news lawyer. That's what Tom's over here doing. He's reporting actual cannabis facts from a cannabis lawyer. So y'all know if y'all need y'all consultation, go check him out because he'll tell you some real shit like he just said. Don't do nothing that's probably illegal because it sounds good. I mean, hell, there's a lot of people doing it though. So if you want to get your bag, get your bag. But when I don't see you for 3 to 5 to 5 to 10, don't expect no commissary for me. Hell, y'all didn't help me out when I was doing my bid.
slanging weed but calling it hemp? Why say no to what seems to be such cash money? Let me explain why I'm not into it. I've been a cannabis lawyer for years. Before that, I was a bank lawyer. And before that, I was one of those insufferable Eagle Scout apple pusher types that follow rules and does a good turn daily and shit. Except for cannabis. That was unconstitutional and wrong. So much so that it got me started in that before going into the industry as a professional service provider 5 years back. It was cash money being made by doing what's right and changing the laws to ensure that no one gets arrested for a plant. Maybe for unpaid taxes, but not for the cannabis plant. Changing the law takes a long time and does not depend on a torturous reading of hemp law to make it mean psychoactive cannabis. That is loophole dodging, like selling stickers that come with